Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Alhamisi yechitariki merongevere na kiando mutinyino yo gatano na gatatu mwaka n'ugwikiri bubere na merongevere nene na ukwanirie andonse sore mwanchu murigererio Kisii TV karibu asomoro birio bwaya toikeire bitkubuna natebaneria Alhamisi debiro byanyare kominyoka kegima chitaike isano chioka enyare kuraga chinsa isano chiabono mandinga kikwabokero mwanchu murigererio Kisii TV na kigwacha kireri kuriyawe merobiri yao ngai yanyarire guchakera karibu sana so kunyara gusangana icheri kuriya rero of course ndachukunyara kurigereria gati yaria anyarire gutwikira korwa ase chinsemo au karibu sana Joan Komboka na Ariel Italiane director ni kurwa sensemo yendi studio nimubwate director Enoch nimubwate director Kate nimubwate director Jacinta Nyabeta bonsi na baba kunyara gwekara kalikurwa sensemo yendege studio kwene kibuna onsi mwanyare kwenyora ase enchera yobwekerano karibu sana so kunyara gusangana enche rituko lya rero of course moch kunyara gontebinga nari jagendre to korekana ase muri biti au chichiro chituka ebintu au rera se chiro ya daraja mbili no boncholere bogendre tegali abangina beso kirigali echiro taracha onyabayivana bakwenda chiskuru abayibuli bachiraria bachikunyara kwene kibuna ebintu au byanyarire kuguru abana bakwira se chiskuru kolende karibu sana erunyare gusanga ase obwamo live Facebook togotoka buna Kisii TV ntobwate Instagram, TikTok amuna X account buna Kisii TV ntobwate website ya www.kisitv.co.ke amuna YouTube live astogotoka buna Kisii TV of course omogiro bwabali munogenderete banene mono bali balense yeli yabuli ya kupeta alafu chinga kiechechyo murayibwense yakini Moske William Samuel Ruto nagenderete netaro yae meyorongorwa gusi anene mono ensemo ya Lower Nyanza no ale ritkulia rero chinseme chigacha Homa Bay County nindo chagenderete hashtag stadenge chintambe no alenge chinsemo chiriachia oyugi sanyarire go chakibene morobere bwa mache asensemeria of course na yo kabero mo governor we county ya Samburu Moses Lenol Kulal nere kinakia kyanyare to kuruko na Cherugoro maiga yo kunyara gotoka na mamacho yobukurumi anemono tibesa chimillion gwetani emerongetani tatona isato nigo kegendrete bena bwasirit kuriare rash kunyara go bosibyo kegambero kolene ndo kunyara gotegerera egati ye chinkwana gosebi kalebu no byanyara to korekana abo ritkurigoro kolende karibu sana so kunyara gusangana nche ritko liare namba yesimi ye studio 0768790470 nabo kunyara kongakira gusunyara gontomere mesmesa so kunyara gusangana nche emambi ya rero tumetinga nga yokubwati umurobiryo bwa yatwikere kurwa ekogeraga no kunyara kuyanyora onsi ali anyarire gotoikera ritkulia rero branateba ne chiro Aramisi chinsemo cha keroka ne chiro abantu barabangina no bari kabisa chinsemo cha busunga ali tara cha mbiri abangina no bari chiro niko kutunga kubwati bigana byonsi nyara gusanga na inche mpaka mwere kuraga chinse sana ibere nebe to kunyara kulingerege serugeto gabwa so kunyara gukora nkore nginga nimbe na nyara gukumanye kolende arinda komanyi negati arinda komanyi kolende agwete no yanyora saya tekiri chinse sana ibere na chinse 10 na Diana Morani morochegali ekerogo nagendete kuyarigani bene elionsi nyari kwenyora ase enchera yoboikera nungwa kerengambi ya mono mwanchu murigereria aso kunyara kuyancha Kisii TV nemerobiro au ya Kisii TV of course amatuko makeigo katigarite in fact amatukano ka kunyara gokoleterege pindi ekegeni kabisa kayike bisa tokuyora koruriko mechima buru ngech kunyara kugochera nemerobiro au tubegete ase emepango yeto karibu sana kunyara gusanga sobwa monte twende bakastinse mu cyalamo asabari mu unze yorusagia rwakupet babere bakunyara gweso kemambi ya rero abwase bagendrete no mugirobe kibakwe murunganeria baganetie bitoki no nasomo cyobusongo nindo cyababo Joseph Binto yoro muri komone negwe kyombe gya kupet asorusagia rwabusine nagendrete ko right mu yo somo cyobusongo buratogendrete ko kwana ndonyara gwikaba koro tunyara gotegera chinkwana cyabo in fact na igure bagotebanga kibese kigabamente tu ntaringa neyo musara bamente tu no kibese cyabo batakire kwegwa. I don't know what is going to happen korende kwenda bakatsinse mu Chelamu nyara kurigereria igoro y'omugiro gw'abarimu oyogendera tebene ime yense ya Kenya nemono bari barense yerisa orosagerwa kupet yemega yabari barense yorosagerwa nat kunyara gotereni omugiro abo mega yotebekana buna nigo banyara tukutwaro kuigwana mu serikali.
Kwa hivyo tunataka TSC itulipe pesa zetu zile ambazo waliagana, ilifanya mkataba kati ya Teacher Service Commission na unions. Kwa hivyo sisi kama walimu wa Lamu tunaungana na walimu wote wa shule za upili katika our country kusema hatuendi shule.
Langu ni kuambia wale walimu wakuu wa shule za sekondari ambao wanaletewa forms wajaze na TSC, wapeleke majina kule Nairobi ati ni nani anaenda shule na ni nani haendi. Mimi nawaambia hivi, wafanye hiyo kazi, lakini sisi kama walimu haturudi shuleni mpaka matakwa yetu yote yatimizwe.
Teaching is not a film. It's not a movie. We are not acting any films around. So tunaomba serikali, wale walimu wako acting position, confirm them na wapatiwe pesa ambayo inastahili kama vile angekuwa kwa hiyo cheo. Kama ni principal, apewe hiyo pesa ya principal.
Ningependa tu kuwatahadharisha wazazi kwa kipindi hiki, tafadhali tukae na watoto wetu nyumbani, kwa sababu ukiachilia mtoto wako aende shule hakuna mwalimu wa kumwangalia. Kwa hivyo unapoachilia mtoto wako aende shuleni umemwachilia kwa ulimwengu. Kwa hivyo wazazi tukae na watoto nyumbani mpaka tutakaposema mgomo umesitishwa.
Agizo langu nalisikiza kwa mtu mmoja tu, SG, ambaye ni Akelo Misoli. Akisema imeisha ni basi, lakini mambo mengine mataka yote yafanywe, yani ndio turudi. Kwa saa hii mgomo upo.
Yale maisha ambayo tunayapitia shuleni ni maisha magumu sana. Na huu mshahara ambao tunalipwa ikilinganishwa na ile kazi ambayo tunaifanya haitoshani kabisa.
Zaidi ni medical cover. Minute imetutesa sana. Personally niko na experience ya Minute kututesa. Kwa hivyo Minute must go. Na mgomo bado upo.
Ushauri wangu kama mwalimu, ningemwambia mzazi, mama ambaye ana mtoto na anajua uchungu wa mwana, asijaribu kumpeleka shuleni, kwa sababu hakuna mwalimu atamwangalia pale shuleni, na lolote likimpata ni juu yake mzazi.
Maana kasirika na wamekasirika sana, na ndio maana mnawaona wamekuja hapa kwa wingi. Walimu ambao wamekuja ya 2000 wamekuja kuambia serikali kwamba tumekasirika sana, huo mshahara hautoshi na hatujafurahia na hatukubali. Jambo la pili, tumeona TSC jana ikisema kwamba inataka kuongezea walimu contract ya miezi 4. Huo ni mchezo. Koti ilisema kwamba walimu wanaajiriwa permanent and pensionable. Bunge ikatenga bilioni 18 za kuajiri walimu kwa PNP. Kwa hivyo mchezo inazidi kukasirisha walimu, na tunawahakikisha kwamba haturudi shuleni hadi matakwa yetu yatimizwe.
Haya, kwa majina mimi naitwa Binja Joseph, ndiye katibu mkuu wa chama cha KUPPET Kisii. Walimu leo wametoka kwa barabara tena. Tulikuwa hapa Monday, siku zote tumekuwa tukipigania maslahi ya walimu. Tumepata kwamba walimu wengi wote hawajaingia mashule, na wameitikia wito wa kwamba lazima serikali angalie maneno yao, na ndio maana sisi tumejitokelezea wote. Tumeona rais akidanganya pale jana akisema ya kwamba amepeana 13.3 billion ya kuangalia maneno ya promotions ya hiyo walimu, amepeana 13.3 billion kuangalia hiyo CPF pesa imeingia. Tumeona TSC ikipeana mabarua, vile chairman amesema ya kwamba walimu waendeleze ile maneno kandarasi walikuwa wamepatiwa internship wa junior school. Tunajua pesa kwa serikali iko. Sisi hatutapanduka barabarani mpaka maslahi yote vile Secretary General anatuambia wetu wa KUPPET Kisii. Our Secretary General Bwana Akelo Misori, guided by the National Governing Council, hatutoki kwa barabara mpaka maslahi yetu yameangaliwa. Mwisho tunataka kusema ya kwamba sisi kama walimu wa Kenya tumedharauliwa sana. Tukisema kitu tunadanganywa. Lakini raundi hii sisi kama viongozi na walimu wote wa Kenya tumesema hatutaambiwa mdomo tupu. Lazima tuandikiane chini na serikali, so that maneno tunaandikiana inakuwa legal and binding. In case hii serikali tena ikituruka, tena tunarudi kwa barabara. So sisi hatufuati maneno ya court order yenye ilikuwa imepeanwa. Court order sio ndio hiyo iliitisha mgomo. It is the National Governing Council iliitisha mgomo. So hatubanduki mpaka the same National Governing Council imeketi imeangalia kama serikali imeangalia hayo maslahi, na tumeyaandika chini sisi wote tukakubaliana tuweke kwa labor court. Suppose anybody goes against that, tunaenda na yeye tena kwa koti ama turudi kwa barabarani. Jana walituongezea ile pesa ilikuwa yetu yenye walikuwa wamefungia. Sasa na hiyo pesa bado haijaingia kwa mishahara ya walimu. Mpaka sasa hivi walimu wangekuwa wamekula mishahara yao by 24th. Saa hii leo ni 29. Hakuna mshahara, na maanisha kuna mchezo inaendelea. So hiyo mshahara sisi tutaamini tukiona kwa payslip. Maneno ya kuambiwa raundi hii tumesema sisi hatutaki. Yes.
Tumesema kama katibu amesema wakupe tikisi. Kama hakuna nyongeza ya mshahara confirmation of JSS teachers, hakuna kuenda shule kabisa.
Mimi kama JSS nataka kusema ukweli. Hatuendi shule tukue confirm. Sisi kama JSS tunasema ukweli. Kama hakuna pesa, we are not going to school.
Abo na barimu anene mono bari barense yorosagia rwa Kupet korwa sechinse mochiria chia gusiga igakisi town bagendera tono mugiroba mwategerere chinkwana chegati yabarayabo kwegoro mwarimu yu atebirenga inche school tindigoti onye murigo twabesa. I don't know what is going to happen anene mona sensemeti seme yakogera ane mono yigano mutienyi oyigane tam ya gatatu abana bekirasi 12 mbagendete kuyarigani gochokora matemu abo AKCSE gose form 4 na anene mono go kurigereria ngano na abana bari bakapse na barumba bwata matemu na marigo niyo kwene kibuna CBC nyare ko bage gokorega sekera boroki gwa baigamba takiri ko bekwa bene banyare kurongea chinchira au bagendrete kuyarigania sensemo yechi semi chiabo grade 9 batakiri ko ranga ki ngaiye biras bigo chikoba yani mirobere ni menge asensemo yechi semi takiri kunyara gwikira Nigeria kirubu. Asante sana kurumana ma Bahrain Kingdom all the way to your home Kisii County. Asante sana ni Moroche Umaturi Vincent korudoha Qatar goika bo machoge borabu igari tongo agotebanga bogisankio seito nonde meo morobirium biyamono tokwenda bakase county ya Kakamega ase chinsemo cha Koromatangi yogotoka imeye bunge ya Lurambi ase county ya Kakamega nigo egatia bamenyekuru astinsemecho babere bakunyara gwesoke na kunyara kwemurunganiria anene mono okubora gwechinguru chomolera sama twabangwe
tumekuwa na hizi demonstrations za Gen Z hasa mwanzo wa mwezi wa Julai ilikuwa ni tarehe 7 mwezi wa 7
askari babere bakunyara kwemurunganiria
jioni kukielekea saa 1 kuna vikundi ya hao walikuwa nasema pia hawa ni demonstrators walikuja hapa
ya Kenya kwanza
wakaanza kuvandalize
barai amona babwatani
control unit
ya kampani yestima ya KPLC eribanyare ko babekera chinguru chomulero asa chinsemechiga ekigane chinkwana cyabo abose banyare ko ruwe birero byabo igoro yo kuganiko bekera chinguru chomulero asensemeyo.
Wakati tumekuwa na hizi demonstrations za Gen Z hasa ile ilikuwa ya mwanzo wa mwezi wa Julai, nafikiri ilikuwa ni tarehe 7 mwezi wa 7. Jioni kukielekea saa 1 kuna vikundi ya hawa walikuwa wanasema pia hawa ni demonstrators walikuja hapa, na walipokuja hapa wakaanza kuvandalize control unit ya hii Highmast ambayo ndiyo hiyo hapo. Walivunja hiyo locks zake, wakaingia ndani ya hiyo control box, na hapo wakainterfere na mita ya Kenya Power, wakaiba wakatoroka nayo. Pia wakachukua fuses, pia wakachukua timer, na wakakata waya ambayo ilikuwa inaleta moto ya Kenya Power kutoka kwa nearest post ikileta kwa Highmast. Hii imepatia county wasiwasi, na hasa administration ya university ambao wanafunzi wao wanaishi area hii. So wametuuliza kama county kama tunaweza kuwasaidia kuhakikisha kwamba tunaweza kurudisha hii mwangaza ya Highmast, ili hiyo hofu wako nayo kuhusu hiyo hali ya uhalifu ambao huenda ikakumba wanafunzi wao wakati wanarudi. Nafikiri wanafungua shule karibu muda wa wiki 2 ijayo. Tunajaribu sana kuhakikisha kwamba that kabla wanafunzi warudi tutakuwa tumerudisha mwangaza wa Highmast.
Mimi ni mwana boda boda. Na hii taa ilikuwa inatusaidia hadi tunakuja kazi hapa saa 11, tunafunga saa 3. Lakini saa hizi venye haiko, sisi ni watu tunaenda kulala mapema. Tunaogopa tunaweza pigwa kwa hii mlima, na hii taa ilikuwa inatusaidia. Hata saa hii wanafunzi ndio wanarudi. Inafaa serikali ya county, serikali kuu itusaidie warudishe hii taa. Sisi tunakuja asubuhi, kwanza tulikuja tukapata taa hakuna. Hatujui ni nini ilifanyika usiku. Tulikuja asubuhi tukapata taa imeenda, imezimika. Tukafikiria ni stima, lakini baadaye kuangalia tukapata kuna fuses zimetoka. Hatujui ni nani walichukua. Sasa mtu angalie hii maneno. Before wanafunzi wakuje, mkuwe mmeturudishia hii taa. Hata
inapofika mwendo wa saa 2 unakuwa hauwezi pita barabarani kwa sababu wale watu ambao ni wakora huwa wanavamia watu kwa giza. Na pia hiyo taa inasaidia watoto wetu saa 11 wanapoenda shuleni mapema. Na pia mahali ambapo tumesimama hapa kuna vibanda ambavyo havina milango, na wakati ambao unatoka ukitoka sehemu za Rurambi unaposongea hapa unaweza shikwa kwa sababu kuna walifu wanakaa katika vile vibanda. Na tungependa tu serikali kuu na serikali ya county ili mchukue jukumu, mje msimame pamoja nasi, mturekebishie hii taa ili ipate kuwa ya manufaa kwetu sisi kama wakaaji wa Koromatangi. Na ningependa ya kwamba na pia kuwe na security ambayo itakuwa ni njema, kwa sababu mnapoweka taa hiyo tutakuwa na security ambayo ni security njema. Sababu hata wanabodaboda imekuwa ni ngumu kubeba watu masaa ya saa 2 kwa sababu wanahofia ya kwamba wanaweza patwa na changamoto lolote. So tungesi tu ya kwamba serikali kuu na county ili muungane, muje mtusaidie ili taa hii kirudi hapa tutakuwa na amani.
Wakati hatukukuwa na taa hii tulikuwa na machambazi wengi sana. Na wakati walituletea tangu mwaka jana imekuwa ya manufaa kwetu, imetusaidia. Na tumekuwa salama kila wakati, lakini wakati walikuja wakaiharibu ikakosa kufanya. Kwa hizi karibu miezi 3, karibu miezi 6 hatuchakuwa na hii taa tangu ikuwe vandalized. Sasa tunaumia. Hata sasa tunahofia watoto wetu vile wataripoti most. Itakuwa shida kwao kwa maana hawa watoto wako na lessons hata usiku. Kuanzia saa 2 sisi hatuna amani katika hii barabara yetu ya Koromatangi. Na ni kwa sababu ya hiyo kiza tunayokuwa nayo. Sasa ninaomba serikali, kaunti yetu watukumbuke. Sisi kama wana Koromatangi watukumbuke, watuondolee hii kiza yenye tuko nayo, kututengenezea hii taa yenye tuko nayo katika huu mlima wa Koromatangi.
Alright, eyo nkorwa ase chinsemo chia Kakamega County ase kwerende ase constituency eyo ya Lurambi mea Koromatangi bada abantu nigo bagendrete kurera salene ne babiri bakunyara konyorane ne mono chinga kichumugiro ime yense ya Kenya tugendrete kubwatia ubugosenga kengambia munase bonse bali banyare goswaso murobire bwa yato ikere ritkoneria Alhamis tariki 29 mutenyino yo gatano gatatu mwaka no gwechiri bubere na merongevere nene. Of course gamba inyolingo muraibwense ya Kenya ni garase county ya Homa Bay ritkolia rase taro yae yuasagendrete ne taro yae me yorogongo rwa loa Nyanza tonyara uskokera yo negatiari nkwari gendete ritkolia rero no mogenyo no nyari gwekena nase studio no muntu murabeteke gimo iturach kunyara gukwanere guru ya siasa nene munemense ya Kenya abantu abange nigo bagotebanga AU position inaenda Djibouti. I don't know what is going to happen to Baba ndo chikunyara koligere opposition. Kalonzo anaweza wezi mpaka Babu Owino so ile gari eseginere gati ya Babu Owino na Yoweri Kaguta Museveni negendrete gatigali yogwatanekana nkoro gwazimio ebintu au bigendrete okorekana imensi ya Kenya na ime yagusiba mwirenga namagena akurutu left right and center ego karibu sana tosuka kole ntonyara kumnyoka baka chinsemo cyara rieda nigo abamenyi bensemo yara rieda bagendrete kolera sale nene ega maega yoko musana na kwanyarte okorekana buri tukuregoro nigo bakunyara ko musana na igoro yoko ya koko yoko magena chinsemechyo gose ko yoko madini egentukia nyarire koirero kurwaniriro ko kunyara koleta manto kuimuki chigurwa sama okabo na kunyara gusalino ne biashara au egentukia nyarire koleta sale nene abasaba menya obanyarire gwesokia na kunyara gusaba buna abanyanyimbo baba kunyara kobeko bolendia se chinsemechyo egatia bali banyarite kwikira nas chinsemechyo ngamono mwakili Danstan Omari oyinero bwatayega ayabarengo kwandira chinsemechyo.
Mimi naitwa Amos Barasa Mabonga, Director of Armlight Resources Company Limited. Leo nikiwa njiani nikielekea kotini kutestify kwa ile mata ilikuwa ya leo kuhusu the last attack ili happen on 30th this last month. So on my way with my wakili nilipigiwa simu na askari wangu wa site, kaniambia wanavamiwa huku, ukuta inabomolewa na goons from wenye wametumwa na my competitor. So nilipigia area ya OCS na OCPD wapo take action, lakini before afike mali yangu already ilikuwa kuta imebomolewa, mali yangu some equipment zimeibiwa. Imeibiwa mali ya pesa mingi. So na hii ndio ini attack ya mara ya 5 because the first one will happen on January 25th. Ikasababisha vifo za watu wawili. As we speak, hiyo kesi haijafika kotini. File iko bado kwa DPP. Na kwa sababu haijachukuliwa any action, these people wameamua they can do whatever they want because hakuna mahali naweza wapeleka. So imekuwa ni mazoea, kila wakati wakikuja kuvamia naambia askari wangu wajifiche because they enter here watawaua because they wanakuja wakiwa na weapons, wakiwa fully armed. So what has happened today, because this site haifanyi kazi, tuko na court orders, tulifungiwa kazi na huu ni mwezi wa 5 toka hiyo orders itolewe, hatujakuwa tukifanya kazi. So swali yangu ni to my competitor, ni nini inamsumbua kutumia vijana vibaya kukuja kuharibu mali yangu na hakuna kazi ninafanya, na shamba si yake, nimenunua mwenyewe na pesa zangu. My competitor sina deni yake, sina deni yake, ni mtu tumejuana naye miaka 3, almost 3 years. He has been my friend, tumekuwa tukifanya nikimsaidia hapa na pale. The problem is wakati ninunua shamba huku hataki investor mwingine huku, ni yeye tu anataka take over, akuwe the boss of the community, of which sina shida na community wala ni backup kabisa because sijaanza kazi kwa sababu na nimelipia almost 320 students school fees because I know the responsibility of an investor in the community, because for me I count myself as a wife to the community. The community is my husband. Unaona? So I'm responsible to them to bear kids, kuzaa watoto, unaona? So what I've been doing si kujipendekeza kwao. I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do as an investor. Lakini yeye afaa afanye the same, of which mimi sijamuuliza, lakini kunitumia guns every time. So I'm wondering, this is the 5th time. The first time we attack, waliwa watu wawili walikufa. Hiyo kesi haijaingia kotini. The second one, hiyo ndio mata tumekuwa nayo. Nafikiri the third one, the fourth one ndio tumekuwa nayo mata kotini, na ile the third one and the fourth one mata ilikuwa leo kotini. Ndio nilikuwa nimeenda kutestify. So hii ni ya the fifth one. Unaona? So ni mazoea, because wakishikwa wanaenda wanawalipia cash bail, wanaachiliwa. So msevara unasema tuko na backup. Yeah? Tuko na spirit. You see, they call him that. So I'm wondering kama anatumia vijana vibaya hivyo. Yeah? Because at the same time mimi ki arrange guns hapa and wape instruction, vijana wape instruction. Hapa mtaokota maiti mingi, but I don't want to go that direction, because my investment here is to help the community, to support the community, to support everybody mwenye anahitaji kazi. Lakini sikuleta hapa ili nisababishe kifo cha mtu, sitaki lawama mimi damu ya mtu, unaona? Lakini yeye hajaogopa hiyo. Kazi yake hakuna siku nimetumana ivamiwe, sijai. So ni mtu yani simuelewi. Kiongeza sara ya leo, because ataki ya kwanza iliharibiwa vitu za 2.8. Kuna mali pia iliibiwa. Hiyo juzi na hesabu ya sara almost ya 400,000. Hiyo ilikuwa the third one. Ya leo vitu zimeibiwa, sijui ni ya pesa ngapi. The fourth one ni mali na hesabu almost 600,000. Na vitu zangu zote zinaibiwa, zinapelekwa kwake. So nashindwa, mbona anainterfere na kazi yangu na mimi sija interfere na kazi yake. Naheshimu kazi yake, juu ameajiri vijana. Na hii ndio tunataka, sio? So at the moment ningeomba security on my property, kwa sababu na wanalinda hapa. Because at the moment their life is in danger. So nilikuwa naomba serikali kama naweza pewa security, at least tukiendelea na mambo ya kotini ndio tujue shida iko wapi.
Kwa jina mimi naitwa Charles Otieno Onyango. Mimi ni mfanyikazi wa Amlight hapa. Mimi hivi sanga nilipigiwa simu kuona, nikafika nikapata kama vitu zimefanyika. Lakini ile nimefanya ni shangae ni moja. Sisi tulifungiwa kazi kutoka February mpaka saa hizi. Tuliambiwa mambo yetu itakuwa kotini 18th September. Hatujafanya kazi mpaka leo. Kwa nini sisi tunapigwa kila wakati? Na mimi nilikuwa nauliza serikali, kwa sababu sisi vile mimi naona kwa upande yangu hatuna justice hapa yote, hata Siaya koti hakuna justice. Hao machifu yetu maserikali hapa yote zimewekwa kwa mfuko. Hii ni mambo ya ukweli, hatutaki kuficha. Sasa tunauliza sisi tutaenda wapi na tulisaliwa hapa? Tunafanya kazi hapa. Amlight ni kampuni kubwa. Ameandika watu karibu 100 na tumefungiwa kazi, watoto tunawalipiwa shule, tunawajengewa mama, wajane. Na yule jirani yetu pia anafanya hivyo. Mbona kwa nini hawezi tegemea kazi yake na tuache sisi tufanye kazi? Tumefungiwa kazi, hatujafanya kazi na bado tunapigwa. Na je, tukipanga vile wanapanga, serikali wanangoja kuja kurokota maiti hapa, kwa sababu sisi hatutacheka sasa na mtu vile tunafumulia hivi. Tumefungiwa kazi, tuko njaa, hatuna msara, vitu yetu inaibiwa, vitu yetu zinaribiwa hivi, na serikali wananyamaza tu. Akina chief wako wapi? Na wale wa miji 10 wako wapi? Juu hata ukienda kwa polisi hakuna justice. Unasikwa mtu yao inasikwa saa hii, unaenda pale wanatolewa kwa kasbil. Hawapelekwi hata kotini, na wakipelekwa hakuna mali watapelekwa. Majaji nini, malawyers hapa zote kwa mfuko. What should we do? Kwa hivyo tunaomba sisi, ikiendelea hivi itakuwa mbaya sasa. Na tutaomba mkubwa yetu Amos akae kando kidogo. Atuachie hii sasa kama community. Tufanye hii kazi vile jamaa anafanya. Tupange, akipanga tunapanga. Alafu maserikali wenye wanangojea kuja kurokota maiti, wakuje warokote maiti. Hata sisi tuuliwe kwa sababu hizi ni mashamba yetu. Thank you very much.
Barakuchian. Now, at the Dar es Salaam, you're my now manager. And as I went, coming back, realizing there were some 2 guys armed with pangas. Now, He wanted to come in, but I stopped him not to come in because his life was in danger. So I pushed him away to the hiding point. Coming back, now another team was coming, very big number. I had to escape with my colleagues, and as we were going out, the wall is already down, and now they were coming in. Now they spoiled everything, and it was a pathetic scene, you know. It's a scene that when you look at, you may not even imagine. All in all, they destroyed everything within the compound. They looted, and they went with all that they could manage.
First and foremost, the area that is surrounded with the perimeter wall, there is a court order that has stopped any form of evacuation, any form of mining. This area extends to the neighboring land, which is an open ground. What is happening? The area fenced belongs to my client Amos Mabonga and his company. The area outside still belongs to the person who sold the land to Amos. Invaders have invaded that open ground, dug tunnels. There is no mineral on that side. They have dug a tunnel that is coming now to the area of Amos that has been barred from any form of excavation. That is the problem that we have in this matter. So that an illegal mining process is continuing in his land, in a private land, without his consent. Because of an attempt to stop that illegal mining, the miners and those benefiting out of that illegal transaction have been making attacks, 5 attacks, whereby the first one, 2 people died. The second one, no action. And the first one, no police action has been done or no prosecution has been done. I shall be moving with speed to write to the Director of Public Prosecution to ensure that the first attack and the second attack, the perpetrators take plea and they face their day in court. The third and fourth attacks, people were arrested, they were charged. Today, we were going to court. In an attempt to subvert the administration of justice, in an attempt to make sure the complainant does not appear in court, a simultaneous attack was organized here. So we had to stop going to court to come to this place to deal with the question of preserving the property and dealing with the question of preservation of life. We had to call the court to inform the court, but there is an emergency, but we are coming. We went to court, proceeded, then we are back here. The questions before in this scenario is a question of how do we deal with investors? Amos has spent millions and millions, thousands of millions to invest here. Under the corporate social responsibility, the community has benefited tremendously by building of schools, taking kids to school, building for houses for the vulnerable women in the village. He is part of the community. This is a war where a Kenyan investor is being harassed by a foreigner. My brothers, this country belongs to us. The law does not change. All investors will be dealt with equally, but the law cannot be bent to protect foreigners to the expense of locals. The industry of mining, and we shall appealing to the Minister for Mining, Waziri Joho, that tomorrow we shall look for his audience in his office, because this is a question. The blue economy and the mining economy is now the bedrock of the new administration. This is the new frontier for businesses. If we frustrate investors, if we make investors take the next flight and leave this place, then we are not developing the economy of this place. So I'll escalate this matter to the highest office. We shall move with speed. I have already taken over the matters in court and filed an application to lift the order to stop the mining here. You cannot stop a factory or an industry that generates roughly 50 million shillings to the taxpayers' coffers without demanding those who have gone to court for security. This is 5 months. Today, this company has never worked. Once the orders are lifted and the people who got those orders are told to compensate, are they able to compensate to the tune of 500 million shillings that has gotten lost? So we have moved to court with speed, and we have asked that they provide for security. That is the position of the law. So that in case they lose,
mwananchi aweze kwenda hospitali atibiwe na aende nyumbani bila ya kulipwa.
Kenyans have not worked. Kenyans have not paid their school fees for their children because of these shenanigans that have been going on. We will deal with the question of the delay of the security apparatus to take action, and we shall deal with it firmly, conclusively, and this matter must come to an end. What image, my senior counsel, the governor, Orengo, what image are we building for Siaya? Is this the image to be depicted worldwide of Siaya? It can't be. Under my watch, I'll protect my clients with all instruments of the law, and we'll make sure that they get justice within the shortest time possible. We do not want bloodbath. We do not want people dying. 2 lives lost is too precious for the small county like Siaya, for a small village like Ramba, for a small community.
Murigererio KCTV ogendrete kubwati umurobirio wa yato ikeire tusaba kwabira soroboti uruo wa tambe yake ekiro twataka gotegera chinkwana chiabonsi kurwa chinsemo chiria chiararie dometa somore mbutali na bogusinyunonye na sogweta ngoga niore ngamangana iganyare gotegererwa sobwikira no of course mogeni ono nyare gwikira na ase studio atauch kunyara gukwadra igoro ya siasa anene mono ye county ya Kisii amo na siasa yense ya Kenya igo tosuka gakogerante tuturaenda bakastinse mochia Homa Bay County abwasomura ibwense yakini muske William Ruto boniga arase chinsemecho ni moroche no mugavana Kawira ni moroche mugavana Gladys Wanga tumetinki Kawira mwangaza riko koraso mutuone Gladys Wanga no ale chinsemo chiria mugeniro muraibwense kabisa Rigathi Gachagua ko pale projects bagendrete kuigura chingi yake gimakorende asiboniga aturanyara kurigereria the earlier project anyara kuigura mache chinsemo cha Oyugis tumaye kuirina singambo iturigererenga ki you followed jana alikuwa Kisumu akakuja Migori today Homa Bay kesho ako Siaya. You know, the projects tiriako beka gari, can you compare them netaro tuarete ange wiki yemo ya eri in fact it's just 1 week imeisha kuruaru gusiga iga tumaye kurigere siasa ya bwatirime ya gusi arafu na national politics whatever that is happening. Karibu sana mwancho murigererio KCTV ertunga endere gusanga asobwa mutende bakastinse mochi Oyugi sase boni gomuraibwense yakinyu muske William Ruto agendrete nemero video au astinse mochi ya Oyugi seme ya county ya Homa Bay.
Serikali ya Kenya itakulipia. Ndio kila mwananchi aweze kwenda hospitali atibiwe na aende nyumbani bila ya kuulizwa pesa, because we want to make health universal. Na ndio sababu mimi nataka niwashukuru hawa wabunge. Wamenisaidia, tumebadilisha sheria, sasa tuko na sheria 4 mpya ambayo itatusaidia kuendesha mambo ya universal health coverage. And we want to make health truly universal by making sure that every citizen has an opportunity
either to get insurance or to be treated in hospitals paid for by the government of Kenya. Na mimi nataka nimshukuru Gladys kwa sababu hawa community health promoters, mimi na yeye tunawapanga. Ama namna gani jameni? Tuko pamoja watu wa Temo. Watu wa Kabondo Kasipul tuko pamoja. Mnasema tuendelee. Hiyo ndio kazi mimi nimekujia hapa Homa Bay. Kwa sababu sisi sasa ile kazi iko. Sio maneno yetu kama viongozi. Nyinyi kama wananchi mlitupigia kura. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Si mlituchagua? Mkachagua MCA. Mjumbe mkachagua. Senator na gavana mkachagua. Bado iko uchaguzi mwingine hapa katikati. Sasa tumesema mambo ya viongozi wananchi walimaliza. Ile kazi iko sasa ni sisi viongozi tuwafanyie nyinyi kazi. Ama namna gani jameni? Nyinyi mnataka tuendelee kuongea mambo ya viongozi ama mambo ya wananchi? Si tuongee mambo ya wananchi sasa. Tuwapangie barabara na stima na maji na kusomesha watoto. Si uchaguzi mwingine iko huko mbele. Ile mtu atafanya kazi si atapatiwa ingine. Mtu akizubaa si apelekwe nyumbani. Ama mnasemaje? Tuko pamoja? Tushakubaliana? So ndugu zangu, watu wa hapa Kabondo Kasipul, mimi nataka niwashukuru sana. Mimi nataka niwaulize. Naelewa mimi na Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga tulikubaliana ya kwamba hii Kenya lazima tuweke siasa ya kuunganisha wa Kenya. Na ndio mimi nikatengeneza baraza la mawaziri la kuunganisha wa Kenya wote. Ili tuondoe ubaguzi, tuondoe mirengo, tuondoe ukabila, tuwaweke wa Kenya pamoja. Kwa sababu Mungu alijua ni sababu gani sisi ni watu wa nchi moja. We are one people of one nation with a common destiny. And that is why we have decided that we are going to form a government that is going to unite all the people of Kenya without minding their political formation or their community or their tribe or their region. We are all one people. Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Kabondo Kasipul jameni, watu wa Homa Bay, mnakubali tuungane ama mnasema tuendelee kutengana? Mnakubali tuunganishe Kenya? Tuunganishe Kenya. Tufanye kazi pamoja. Ndio tujenge barabara, mpate maji, mpate stima, watoto wenu wasome. Mnasema tuungane? Wale wanasema tuungane nione kwa mkono. Tuko pamoja? Sasa mimi nauliza nyinyi. Si mnajua mimi nilikuwa mtu ya baba? Si mnajua kuna wakati mimi nilisaidia baba? Mimi nauliza nyinyi. Sasa baba akirudisha mkono anisaidie, iko makosa? Iko makosa? Ama mnasemaje nyinyi watu? Si ni sawa namna hiyo? Ama mnasemaje? Tuendelee namna hiyo?
Broad-based government it is. Ameunganisha serikali na haoni tatizo. Raila Amolo Odinga sasa kimuunga mkono. Karibu sana.
Mimi mnajua. Wakiri huyo.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Amadukarachire korutororana, but karibu sana.
Tukachire na erendo gachokara agende likize ntambe.
Mwezi moja tu.
Na ki Hollywood erendo.
Hata in fact sikuwa likizo because been around. Neri tutanya komerana. Some programs.
Akina wako rende ngwanya ko ba around ya around ya.
Toske ko chumotu. I can see a conversation ya Erochi.
Ndio mna soko ngali ya John. Nashukuru sana. Na ndio na maskania manene. Ekaratu mwa to nyola liba gabuneli. Ase ogosanga nabantu ba minto igoro ya ngaki Kenya yitegendrete ngayere naende ngaki egochikoba. Ina maskania manene sana aba gosiba itobons naba Kenya bons bale imeya gusi Nyamira Kisii bale chinsemo chons cha Kenya na Maiko na njengo igani on behalf of Kisii TV kiagera no to konyora mangano nsiaria tikire.
Karibu sana matukarachire na kinatakanga toranyara gukwa na siasa ibere isato emambia rero tunyare kurigereringa what is not happening in Kenya na nene mono imeagusi siasa embe bado negendete korokana but I'm happy to see you looking sharp
no ogono kwe ogote matuko ebisa kwe chingo boime bandu babaza go wakaringana nga mundu yoga isirwa.
Right, no, kwa tegereire guse kwa bere ko kubwati ko ruboreta ryo murayibwense ime Lower Nyanza maybe in comparing na ekerati teme ya gusi turanyara kuligeria sobo ime project sanyara te guchaki, what can you say juju whatever that is happening in Lower Nyanza?
In fact nda tego te bajo aninga siasa ya Kenya na Afrika nigere siasa yobonche ne yabasani rero gajoan mwanya tubwati umusani oro mwana siasa ngenje yora akonyeke lakini John rero yonyore umujumbe igamu musira igamu oralia andaro rengencho nyasaye akwagacho tiga baba mama na tata bagakubeka oise korosio bosanere mambie nayo ore billionaire ndade goteba nga etaro ye president gocha Kisii na nde na irorera ngukwana na nde koirera gukwana nga etaro ye president gocha Gusii igo yarenge eyo kwayereria igo yarenge etare tabwati umubango igo yarenge etaro eri ebisekanete igo yarenge etaro etabwate omoroberio na chinkoro chia abagusii gocha Kisii ngingo kwanera mangana ya John oiso kurigerie bintu omo president aletete Gusii tayare to bwate kine court ekikebekire no mosike Omari o Danstan o yore omosani we president in fact o yo ogotena ne president kinga kichons lakini yeko bosoku ekero gosebiro bunebi ekero gosangia omosike buna Danstan Omari akogende court akoira omosani oye president ya Kenya courtinga tabwati chinguru choko kwana nga ye university ekobera in fact as ye president no koboria na kochika university council amone ministry of education babweke omoroberi bwo koira chibese ase university ya chakiri kubeko so ekero kurigeria mangana bonaria achaka gosaria taro yomo president gocha Gusii eria kabere warore president yacha kori launch projects for example a cancer center oize kogenda sechi archives chia Google na bogozanginga omugaba na former James Elvis Omorevongwaye emeritus nigo achieta akali chibese kuru Saudi Development Bank akagenda akali chibese kuru Arab Investment Bank chibese chikaba 2.3 billion ekera chire tagaiga asenge njoruta maethe ngango chale kwebeka oborais in fact bagakore njera yoko bisegento yeko kwa sovereign guarantee wose a security yo wanjera chibas chirichigo in terms of a loan wocha so cha Korosi Cancer Center chigasiekerero bona chibase chialigetiguna o mugaba no Kisii wana keracha a cancer center ya bwendete koera Joan Yominto mwaka 2002 amini 2022 motinyo kianda origeria document egorokwa tender document yokorosia a cancer center na ande tutebya abantu bamintu isikorigeria tender document yokorosia cancer center ya 2019 no irabu na bagosomera abakenya kendo gechenjiri gyoka nechitariki chia advertisement egacha kubekwo motinyo okane chitariki angemeronga na kiandabu mwaka 2024 lakini egento gechenje dina amariko ya chinga kicho advertise na omuntu ogchiko ewe tende iyo in fact nda tengo tabia singe njegende gegerega no eno mugaba no Kisii in fact nda tengo congratulate mugaba no Kisii asogo tene na boronge ekyagero manyire ngango mumureka tole na into agaterie president nga a contract ye kwabekaga naye gwekora make sure nga yakorire a project chiwiki a wiki yemo later egaba na agenda agari chi video no chirega a contract teyo ebire kitabia che tombiyo so ebine bintu birororo bya pesa nane byokonya ko banga abagusie especially so ekero korigeri Joan kwamba olingorigeri etaro ya Kisii kende keye president ya nende Kisii and I will remain to say that ogocha kwe president Gusii okwarenge gotabangiri buya ekero go compare na ase president ya Chire Luo Nyanza abajumbe abarayibonzi pi ekero go compare na Kisii abaraiba aspirants leaders bonds people asekere tuisiko in fact John igonda te kurwe namba y'abantu barenge state lodge abantu 27 odigete former mayors odigete former councillors odigete former aspirants odigete members of parliament aspirants odigete incumbent MCAs ba Kisii babwente ko genda baikaranzene omo president bamodebi omo governor president 92 achire ko sindikisa governor yaitu ekakwa asabire na kitu amotebeti if you go to asakoro kunyanza omwana ominto my sister Joan igoko sanginga the Luo leaders ebaje tamu bakarozie ndoiko a wish list ngekero ekapeti mbalirie ko barolled oyonda ikaranze igoba bwate altimata munga ebintu nabye bitotageti oise koligerie ebintu ebyo Ruto is commissioning and launching projects chire worth billions of 100 billions of money chiwa zere ngajati garate Kisii iga ajoni ominto kenden keyo nothing and there is nothing
now nyamwaro tugukwanira igoro yetaro yo muraibwense ya Kenya gwatebanga igatie ritangani tare yo nigo yachite mu basukano na matagataga tu gatebangirie gaikerana but amagoso na yango nayo muraibwense gosene yabaraye abanyarite
ko in fact amagoso na yo muraibwense
why
because omuraibwense namanye denge kerako genda ase a community gete osako enda ase county government gete nabwante ko asengenju ya agenda ne manifesto yaye nabwante ko boria abarayibense meyunga mbintu kyabantu baino batagete ekeronko genda gutenna kubwata likondo ninki batagete nkwanere nkibaba tomire wochicha so a president first failed ko boria barayabanga what is the agenda aspiration okugania kwomo Gusii nongo chake so amagoso na ye president te konyarekana rero John Yominto senator dei oyo oversight the president executive na ndo oversight county omugavana taji the state house taji the state lodge warodi no nyine president te iranire tie boli na ki tindarora omusenator Kisii what happened ekiagera mbali babisa they are leaders in government kero munda bwate role yae so nale goteba John Yominto inga amagosa matangani igongo bekere president a president akoimuka ku state house atumeke zaidi ya milioni 200 wote Kisii amenya gocha agokuwa na kendege tai and finally abantu banze kura na makondo nganje ninjengo kwana buya babo zoro ga banze kuikaranza bako tebya bandonga ngayo mugabana Raila naso DM naso ase serikali bono tora aborie bintu ebyo kyatora kwana mangana itogiga obugori ayo gwakwana bune constituency ikamugo kwana buno mu Gusii igoto bwate constituency kianda omende constituency nye chibe 13 Nyamira na Kisii in fact by extension obeke constituency ibere chiri Kuria East Kuria West egagara buna abantu baito bali mahategari in fact jira tuchibe kwa South Nyanza ebe kworo but what are we seeing John Yominto ambeyemo a president failed koboria nga ninki ground getagete that is why kwa roche abantu abarai okogenda Nyamira omosike Steve Mogaka na abande bakungusanana ase kwere kobe kwa university by the time the president awarded John as a community nabwate intelligence nabwate NIS bagocha egendo kunga prior early team egocha yategerere ground so ayana aragerete nonye ne president egasanginga GNZ basoire street because taigo tegerera ground so nare gukora goteba iga John Yominto Nyamira obakungu bokaba bokorekano bokaba finally ekina kyabekirwe as a court against the president of the Republic of Kenya oyo tata kangaina Banyamira nga na tebirie wana mtigan delegate ngochinde kolia shilingi milioni 500. You cannot just tell people ngango yori milioni 500 ekeremo tara settle ngento ikoro kunga a foundation ekeremo kwa gache nyumba. And those are the problems and challenges that we have in Kisii. Nkwaroche amugabana bakuruterana mangana na bajumbe kwarorire a women rep igango kwanere ekwogereru so a president ekere kororaya obozokuno bwangu in fact mboli no bomuguzi mboli no bwabaraibari ekiagara baraya begento bagokora ebatagete gwepeta yani political selfish supremacy yokwaro kinga nintu to kwanera abaguzi ngabano oyo omo women rep ta konyara gukwana. Are you seeing a vulnerable community eitobwate abwa sorry classified ekiagara ndore ikira Kenya as toko tebanga authoritatively omongina abeire independent within a name so akira omongina agotena gukwana ago sabe bintu bire bya bangina asabe bintu bya bana abataka ababoraka abataka anu omanya koimoka ngobegeta abaisina amasacha manene obaete changa ga bakonyu ngabagerero omongina takwana ngaga gukwana koreka na abwate chingu. That is nonsense. In fact, leadership is cohesion. Ninki abantu baluo nyanza, abarai baluo nyanza. Batara ruderana mangana bago cham. So first things, a problem under the mistake is the president himself. He did not consult widely. He did not do research. He did not use the intelligence officers on the ground. Kama having a key. Tukanonere ground ya gente keneke tochiko kwana so into abagusi na abagusi in general emamanye tenga ki a president dera ba tikende kiagaronye kino yajire koti university na aro kia Nyamira Kisii a cancer center in Jamawe and I was involved cancer center ya Kobororo ebinebi into pesa na aponga ina abagusi the president okonga ina abagusi kagendo gachikoli kichibasa Saudi Arab Bank so the statement ya standard also my statement here nation, also my statement here the people, also my statement here the star. This story is just been hachibekire ngaki a cancer center ya chagete ngaki omogavana or former emeritus omelbongwa aligeti chiverese up to a tune of 2.3 billion. In fact, nda go there video. Chiverese choka Kenya yale ko contribute wote cancer center ya Kisii. Hii aliko bakochikobe regional hub treatment center for the hub in the region of Western and Southern Nyanza nechiwa ziko ku 634 million choka na andi chiko chamune edeni nechiwa sechu he has not committed okweboli la John ningi yakogera a contractor that side toma bali kibande no bali ground bagende bakote go se contractor na side he is not there. Why? Because it is a ghost false project false promises ebintu biro robo gwake kuba nga a president ya jire kuzi ngango kolera abande binde.
Now, Honorable Julius Omosombago tebanga pamoja kutoka Amakara Matutu Settlement Scheme Nyamira County no arasomorobire Maturi Vincent Corridor wa Qatar weka machoge borabo itongo bogisankyo no ale agote bogisankyo seito no ndeime yomorobere dira kirubo korumana ma Bahrain all the way gocha gusi no ale asomorobire akwenda ali vakachinse muchia Kanyimbo Mwakiage village no ara kubwati omorobere kigima. Thank you so much. Now murayibwense ya Kenya uchire gusi yes nebe yarenge musiabo kano nebe yarenge shagara bagara muna mutete goteba ochiro ikirime ya gusi ochakire Nyamira otwalire taro ya bene Nyamira ali obaire university ali kyabonyoru bakirege kamago otebirobekire chibese chake kwagachu ochire keroka level 4 tali ali Nyagitari otalire gocha in fact atalite not Mogirango agatara Kitutu Masaba agatara na borabu na atalite kyakagukura akigure pale ligo chikineni go Chirogoro agacha Kisii County nyali bali chache na igurete last mile connectivity estima nyali bali Masaba nyorete na launcheti housing project gali togo cha Kitutu chache north na igurete last mile connectivity na echiro ya marani undo separa ya lengali marani Kitutu chache south na chetor la Santoni Kibagendi south Mogirango na cheta bwate project wetani sato bonchari na itete gali na koreta magendro na igorete last mile connectivity bo machoge borabu na chetor ra kaigore para abo machoge chache no cheta kaigore para amagosa ende narai ekera na temeta sako nyara despite masakasage yu achete
John indagete o withdraw statement nga omo president na chete kisi agacha kwa development. In fact ayota ke
in fact no ne para mata na igore
ayota ke irwe okumerwe ekina kyo kongainere ayene president awanda te ko tebia bantu ba minto iyo e pare rosiri ga ya eyok ero ekorkwa ya kitutu for example nganzerero nga e president nejego commission e para ya kitutu ndate okubuli e para erosiri koru aero mbaka sirai ne para ya Africa Development Fund. In fact, ebekire around 7 point or 18 point something billion ejiji koros korua section ya ochakere asakuru kwa eroga no mubaga oluo Nyanza na Kisi onyeire mbaka angena asakuru kunga Kamagamba e pare yuirta around 7.8 billion shillings oize kuligereria se ebitabo chibase echo nchirie chia Ruto did not initiate the construction ye para ekorokwa Ahero Sirare Road egere Kisi ebe yemo yabo ere beneficiary ye pare ye korosiwa korwa azakorokwa eroga mbakeike aria Kamagamba ndete ko debinga o withdraw statement ya John ekere president ego cha commission ye para gaiga. It is by virtue nga nerore the existing president was the incumbent president inkie pareria a junction era konyo mokenya omugusi e interchange chipara jiro siribere igoro eye moinze ye inkie go konyo omugusi anenda to kuboliga aba kusimbalenga balige twaso kolega asia se pare if you have the statistics azokorozie pare ikorwa omwario omochaka no gusi no omwario gusi. So, no one to withdraw the statement. Well, Karo commission again to Bunepar. Nanda to go to Yabuziba Mindoi. Amangana ye Katiba, chapter 4, Ego Kwanera Fundamental Rights and Freedoms, Joan Yominto. 19 minutes. It is the responsibility, yes, Rekali, to make sure these rights yajire. Infrastructure. Infrastructure includes estima, epara, amache, chichiro. Ebi interview serikali yebwante gukora tari yegocha kwanza koda gutako kobeka makondo chikwere igoro na guminyokane chibaze cyo mu Kenya ko west chibaze cya maguta na korara na koragira nga ngutangazirora abakenya ngango korore mbere. I have not seen in the developed countries, especially ogende buna America boniga itukondi yora sangie president ebwate teri kondere pega igoro ekotebanga na jiro commission ye pare. This is nonsense. My sister. It is the responsibility of the president and the executive, together with the legislature, to ensure chipara man has been allocated with just chipara. Even the president went to Okora. No what's a covering a key na a department ya roads and public works and infrastructure development. Errors ye pare errors interchange. Abantonanyo de memorandum in the office. Pare telarosu. That is one and only the president is supposed to kumbukori chigari, abakoria makondo, achororo, achebake site, harigeria boringa ki, inki motako retegenteke, abute contract you, or say contract you have a charge. Not just wasting public resources and money, nganebi in Togo or Cologne. That's what they're going and my sister John. Inga, Unko was about withdraw your statement. It is a fundamental right. It is the responsibility ye president. Every call being a last mile. Anye kere last mile. Ninki yato gara nyake minjeta bu atie pa. Mini estima. Anye kere last mile. Igo inoro moerio. Oyinoro moerio. No estima. I'm saying an example. I'm saying an example. My sister Joan. Otobuate very many villages bu atie pa. In fact, inda teko otabiga. Ruto is vision.
And that is why there is devolution. You are MCA.
No, it is not the responsibility of the MCA. It is the responsibility of the government, the president and the executive, the person in charge of energy, electricity. Kwa ensure estima ya ikire kire kenyoro. Egere abana babako from colleges, technical and vocational training colleges. Ba kodira mangana electricity, mangana ba kodira internet. abana bakestima yaikire kenyoro kyabo bagende bakore innovation batume stima eria baigoro osaibaria banse welding area banse korosia ebijimesa chingi yegachire unique chire innovative egera magendera agende yase ground. The government, the national government nebwate laini yae kominyoka, and the devolved functions 47 county governments chibwate laini yae jikominyoka. Na kingo kote vijua ni umindu that it is hogwash for the president to say nga owekire last mile when it is a fundamental responsibility of the president ko make sure nga amo Kenya nyori stima anchanga kirusi minga nga stima te ya segete ekiagara stima is not a privilege. You pay your tokens. A token is now almost 110 shillings as a token here. You in fact you are charging so one to go coming estima. What nonsense the president is telling us of last mile. Ndati what they reaching such individual matabantu ba aba Kenya bagochuru no bororo no moikomobe ekiagara ba kungaini. You see at estimato wakan to go tebio mondo nga na retire estima nga na retire chigwaya na ande chigwaya echo igoeta basani bao emete yu estima eta basani bao chikwere nde chi kwende ke doke kubuna what do you call it transformers goeta basani bao okaba na bao okaba iri bao na boete biashara bakore omana wanza gotwara makondo okungaina abantu nga kwa last mile. It is the responsibility of the president to make sure that infrastructure development, which includes construction of classrooms, buildings, universities and colleges, roads, amanganaya, water reticulation, that is what over 1 million shillings in the name of PSS and the CSS. The functions of the CSS is to formulate the policy and implement the manifesto of the president. So, alright? Na hande bamanje ko choko tebinga ne president yachire kolonjiga abantu bale Nairobi aire chikali cheito baba ko buchikali merongevere amaguta ko nyoito. Are you seeing? This is what came into the spirit of the young generation to say enough is enough. We are having wastage of public resources for non-existent projects. That is why omwana oyo oimukirie moikoye moika o sokoro yae morara meringa akotebia bante kene ngaki binte bimbiyo. In fact, let me tell you, intubulo muguzina ande buna Juhudi Africa una mashirika ande tu abwata ndire korosio mukataba ndutaye toko somia bantu ikoria their fundamental rights. My sister ntoko tebunga last mile omo jumbe nganga nare de omo jumbe nare de president nga last mile connectivity eyue na ande toko chigwaka na tokens. All right, el serikali yebwana to kobeke binte bibo sateto tebi eto tebi ngaki ono akana wetera abuno to konyoa chibese ebango to chikokorera other projects, not telling us nga or the last mile connectivity. The projects including a pare iwakwana roads automated department ya Kera Nakuru are awarded money. Why should the president waste himself international relations and governor ambassadors from the country to other foreign nations? All right, over 100 countries. And governor president ambassador ya Djibouti ya rangirie president hegentonkera innovative. In fact, yese koiru na ende Kenya nebwate resources chira collect. Ambassador ya kurende ya West Birmingham koru UK. In fact, the High Commission to UK again don't kirega tora kore asabana baitu bakoreke angabono president nere byago kwan tali kominyoka jiparaga na bajumbe giga. What has killed Kenya and Africa negen toge korokwa egocentric politics, again toge korokwa wrong economic policies, corruption for self glorification, no working. So etaro president in Kisii I don't nje na bango teba ngaki kende nkiyo muguzia nyorete abantu ba nyorire bintebyo. We expect over 300 billion projects, over 27 over 30 projects chirikoru ochakere Migori ogende Homa Bay ogende Kisumu ogende Siaya, over 300 billion. As the leaders very united, all right, but because of self interest, political interest for 2027, president yarorire nya APC omuntu korokuraila ninare koraki komokonya atware tolerance opposition te bororo egere aikeranie amagania ye yobwekini ya kisiasa na kibinafsi.
Now, kerango tegera chinkwana chiao ni gongi gweterio girio mo Kenya uteta machibwa sevinto au inchiro bikunyara gokorekana na omonta oranyare ko suguma gosikunyara kwene kengerio geririo na ebuna egatia bakenya babwata mabori au ne birengere bunambaro chevinto mbiro bitari gwikirana ne ritutwara upinzani elira nyare gusuguma murai bwense. And right now
you are wrong my sister, you are very wrong.
Okay, ino chikonyara gontebie
you are wrong my sister. As you as I cut you short, we don't need opposition in this country, because opposition to authority in this country is for self-political, economic gains in this country.
Now, what gabu gekugera na moroche gari Kalonzo Musyoka na nyarite kweraria ko babuna omurayo upinzani officially na chikunyara gotena libagerio ayone gatiari ntete tokwanere tokurwa sensemo yende ye studio tigaturagenda tunyare gwaka na bills 1 2 3 tokoirena nto chakere nsemo ya upinzani. Do we really need opposition? And if we need it, do you think Kalonzo is fit for that position? And the AU kivumbi kinaendelea kuonekana pale. We have 4 candidates. Djibouti seems to have the strength. Kero muntaka kuteba Djibouti. Are we not seeing Raila Amolo Odinga? Ayune gatiari toko chikunyara gokwanera emambia lero. John Komboka na lere taliane na se studio ni gonde na Mr.
Nyamwaro.
Okay, ndena Mr. Bernard Nyamwaro. Director Zaki Kenya akakubatera na mona director Keta mona Jacinta Nyabeta na ubarasi nsemo yende ye studio. Kwere nanda se kagitari getambe kolende tweba ko watimero birieto live Facebook buda Kisi TV, Instagram, TikTok na X account buda Kisi TV Toska. Kwere nanda se kagitari getambe.
Kisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Kisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo chobosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwonche tekegima ase amagori ensemono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception aso kwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwonsi oraganye bobote jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya ekyo kwegwa ase amagori ensemono. Boigo bobote bago se ensemo yo kwegokeria asogo tegerera matera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bale omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake na boigo mbwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chire chisize au na bono chibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo korwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo korwa chiribu 4 na 500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality boigo kogweria rigori ryabo korwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia boigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero ase metenyebere yoka. Lazaon Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazaon Annex Hotel. Yoboigo ebwate e hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori endagira amone binyugwa arensemono. Boigo ne wate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemekenyebere echokonyora ase siringeri bweyemo yoka echo chagure korwa erweyemo na 500. Lazaon Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angena Lazaon Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisi Nyamira Highway. Nyokobonyore obokoreri obiyekegima na kwegokia ase rigoririense mono. Asamange bakirisimi wetrase number 0705935500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Wilex Wholesalers ne duka nene yokonia ebintu byeduka asamo guriense mono imyomucho Kisii. Nige duke yega egotoka asepara ya Kisii Nyamira Highway ase junction ya Nyangongo. Eduke yega nige konia ebinte binge egati yabo amasieti chabati yechi brand au esukari, echumbi, amachere, chisabuni chechi ya ina au amabuta yokoroseri endagera, amabuta yokweyaka, chitishu, amachokunyu yechichuba nebintu binde ebinge byogotumeka nyumba.
Among none I love you. Nonde Wilex Wholesalers. Ajabike bintu biri byonsi ndigete list. Inchuba ka Wilex Wholesalers ebintu ntumbete siko. Among none bano tuli kuchikurara. As long as no tuli Wilex Wholesalers. Amaguri alinzi, among none kasi asuri. Pass. Bono ngakire sabu orale. Wilex Wholesalers ngakire sabu immediately. Buya kabisa by the way.
Eduke yega nige okonerie binte bibyonsi pi ase amaguriense mono nabo igo nige bwate abakuriye meremo babwate umukia bwoko konya asobwango kigima.
By the way.
Amachere go chaga iga.
Amachere yo gabo nokogora bunore gabo wansirimo.
Bunore wansiga limo.
Ayabe kara amachere.
Ntobwate obosibondo bwokoruga noborega iga mbako bobwe chichabati ringo simera abana bakonyakori. Nabo igese eduke yaito. Toko okora bwango turochibona twakorere bwango.
By the way na ndendo chegari mburambi kazi niko bekwe gari.
Ndase niko bekwe gari. Eduka ya Wilex Wholesalers Erenyankonko Junction ese pare nene ya Kisii Nyamira. Kiwa ikire igana boko nyore eduka ite nene likire Wilex Wholesalers isko gago. Karibu, it's a home away from home.
It's a home away from home. Wilex Wholesalers, it is a home away from home. I love you.
Asamange bakiresimi wetirase number 0792503252.
Eye Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Furahiana Star Times. Enjoy our amazing channels with the best dramas and telenovelas daily. Discover your love language.
Will you marry me?
Words of affirmation.
I'm sure I like you because you're unlike everyone. You are my baby.
Quality time.
Life isn't worth living without you.
Receiving gifts.
Thank you.
Acts of service. And physical touch to build a love that lasts. Furahiana Star Times. Buy the DTH decoder for only 2,999 shillings and top up 200 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Smart Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go, anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Eye Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Keni Uhuru maine otire kuma Keni Uhuru maine otire kuma Uhuru Superstores.
Our Superstores neduka egotoka imyomocho Kisii eyo egokoneria ebinto au oragani ase nka yao ase amagoria insemono. Our Superstores nigebwate ebinto byogotumeka nyomba bunabono obosi bwechi tabati bwechi brand au esukari amabuta yechingeni obosi bwokorugera chisabuni amabere nebinto binde evinge. Boigonko ne bale bintu byo kwagachira bunabono amabati yechi brand au buna MRM na dumu amabati yechikala au ayo akwa ase e warranty miaka 5 nevere goika miaka 15 na boigonko ne bale esimiti ko ne bale deformed bars chitanki cha mache chi size au emesmari crown paints nebinde evinge. Oro Superstores boigonko rentra bale amoyo ogotumeka asomogondo ayore DAP, urea, CAN, boigo chimbusuro cha Kenya Seed boigo nkonya bale.
Aye, nsibere bintu ebibwangu bangororaje. Mongi nona na biyaka nyete para. Nanda na bako chenche gari by the way. Aye ayire ko Oro Superstore. Igaika nori tiburi agorire. Ayo muntu uri obwate biasara by the way nabono. Kamati yano imote byateka bintu byegyosi kinobirega. Beyond bichungu nzima. ya yerre ko choru superstore nandari boli
asa mange batare ase duka yabo ime mochobo songo ase amagacho a Ouru complex angene roundabout nyagitari ya General gose KTRH barabare nebengi ya Credit Bank gose obakire simi goitira se number 0111161 nabo igona bokubarikira email otomase info@ourusuperstores.com gose customer care@ourusuperstores.com boigona bogotara website yabo ya www.ourusuperstores.com. Ouru Superstores, guaranteed quality product at the lowest prices.
What it? Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Maburo.
Yatiji, ndigereri. Ngoja kutwaro bwene mbongo bwana. Okwengera noma to ningo. Noma to ningo nango boy. Tako chocho chenchi change chobege. Oye soke to muno mondo oita ya kawanji bono ngane chikwayo go chibonika.
Nemene menene rotigare. Utabia. Sitakora rara mo sinago tera matubia. Site bakwa ringi kurusi. Bachandiro mu muro bande go ore irusire go.
Inchomete inchomete tinta bikori bina binta boni garo chinechi nkori gya bantu kaiga followers nke 100k followers na rio mete na rinko rigi gunona abasani abana bakondi nchikobe vixen alafu no yaga igogo ntebinga atine cyber kora tawo umete nchobo sioro rio buna bunta tageti tigando rikisabirio mtona ro ranya kutoreretio bu nonsense
oko enda gari natanyora abasani batugorrekende totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro guse twanyorira already ase tore togotenda akorteri gosa kunyomunaye
Oye mangana yako.
Ntabyange sababu enene nkinachayiru lakini tato mentone
Soka ngo chiga oile ranti ya ochimena. Ntara miamingi gorobo nga manje bwacha kunyi. Amanje ngendo. Otia.
Saliri. Sasa.
Mbuyande.
Nakikwa chenchiriga. Zazi nzozina kwa chenchiri wakinire.
Inche ngoro abana busena sana.
No, kirao mukungu oyo nkomange na kyota nyomero leseino. Tatso mino no muntu bwate chibesara kiya sencho oyo kobe extravagant. Nabakungu bakamukura. Agachiko mukungu mona agachiko nyoma nyoko. Kwa kuboneka yo afata romontore onananserevo.
Korrege ntunkira kare kulike. Ono okumino kabona wendorore.
Ago ngoba mwete ni muri boy muri ga mwete koba kampaka koba itanata imma oyi wala ko oyi oyi to muwa ko najibesa
Gongwa kande yak aiganero
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere amandegere y'umugusi. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Tugusaba okwabera seitilafu ekio chieki mitambo kolende karibu na ndo mwanchu muligererio Kisi TV ogendrete kubwati murobire bwa yato ikeire karibu asensemo ya kabere na inde yo mweli abwasto kunyara kwa yeri kidogo tunyare kwa Deana Mora chinga kichiae nera nyare kubaletera aya tekire chinsa isano na ibere kolenda siboniga ngake ngambia muna sibonsi bali bagendrete kubwata chuzumbe chino ningendrete kuchirora ninchiko nyara kuchisoma sekaka getali egetambe live Facebook tokutoka muna Kisi TV tubate Instagram TikTok muna X account muna Kisi TV website yetu nigere www.kisitv.co.ke. Asante sana sibonsi bali bagendrete gutubwatia emambi ya lero karibu na inde.
Asante.
Wiki yaeta chinga ki moraibu actually wiki yiga litkorea Jumaine moraibu ense ya Kenya Mosque William Samuel Ruto na nyarete gochika abarai koruchinse chesko ba cheri banyare kumubwatisia ase okonyara komo launch officially a bid ya Raila Amolo Odinga aso kurike keririgo kerogo libagaria AU chairmanship. Ekeranya nakorangiria barayawega 3 presidents bagacha muraibwense ya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, muraibwense ya Tanzania Samia Suluhu, muraibwense ya South Sudan Salva Kiir na obaringe mense ya Kenya. At the same time when that was happening the other side there was another meeting pia yenye ilifanyika pale Azimio. Chigani chinkwa na chia Kalonzo Musyoka yon Kalonzo Musyoka ni moro chabu muraibweke makiawe po yoyunji nwa malwa muraibweke magia DPK oyon Jeremiah Kioni ko Jubilee oyon Babu Owino. This is what they had to say ekere gikare kiagendrete turanyara kotegera chinkwa na chiabo togocha. We start from there.
With the majority of our people who expect that this administration will be kept on its feet. In fact, they will see opposition that they have never seen before. I can tell you that. And so it will be a team.
But in Azimio, there will be no vacuum. We have several parties, constant parties of Azimio. The next ranking member of the leadership of our coalition is the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who was the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. So as we stand before the nation, it's a case of the first amongst equals.
Those who want the poor of the poorest access education in this country without being hassled, being taken to KICC for unnecessary explanations, should join us in Operation Okoa Kenya under the leadership of Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Ieleweke as those who are remaining in opposition that we fight for Kenyans. We will ensure that the government, that which they promised, is indeed delivered to the mama mboga and to the hustlers.
Zoea opposition Zoe opposition leader, you are going to see an opposition that, yani an opposition like you've never seen before, led by Kalonzo Musyoka. Karibu sana Bernard Nyamwaro.
Kalonzo diadi ko ngai.
I thought you support Kalonzo. You are in Wiper.
I am not in Wiper. I've never contemplated.
The last time Kalonzo was in Kisii, ulikuwa side yake.
I went there as a representative of the people, the issues we were addressing, and in fact, Kalonzo only took a minute with me in the table. Kalonzo should forget. We class by kusekwebeka buna omo anasiasa mu opposition. Na nina gotebia Joaninga ki mundu ndi bwenzi orengerere thing opposition neve Kenya ekoragwa na banasiasa tikivi. Kalonzo Musyoka was there alive, breathing, very early. Jeremiah Kioni was there alive, health and breathing. Eugene Wamalu was there the same. Ekeraba na James bagenda to the streets. So, ningi kiale kogera Kalonzo Musyoka na Eugene Wamalu, Jeremiah Kioni na babo Martha Karua bakire vamanya koba wapitwe na wakati wa kisiasa bagasanginga abana bali omoiko babwatire kuogo saba ebire bibarengete nebirengete Kenya ekero omondo kurukunga Kalonzo Musyoka and team ba wende okorai so that go the vinga ki my sister Kalonzo Musyoka, and I'm telling him as a good career political appointee, first as a member of parliament, as a minister, as a vice president, and now as a contemplated presidential aspirant, utanakoba through kiama kia Wiper in opposition takonya, including Martha Karua. Ndio kwa tebia bantu ba mindu iyo. Omanyete siasa iyi asiye ikirere royo. Abantu bakoro kuba Martha Karua. Babwendete kwikaranza na Karua advisory. Unere bonore a lawyer igabwende kwikaranza are legal advisory to the youthful generation abuba harokirie chinguru choko liberate this country. The likes of Kalonzo Musyoka babwende kwikaranza ise babe political advisors by the young generation kobatevinga oborai bokogenda iga ekero mwachakire iga mokoriyo obora mogochikoire ense ya Kenya kugera omoko waiga the likes of Jeremiah Kioni, a seasoned politician orale abana bantu bagotire bar above 60 years babwente kwikaranza bakoreki barokererie the young generation on leadership and governance of this country. Na kobatevinga ekero mogo picket yiga baru ngende yokoro kwa cancel in terms of legal, in terms of politics, in terms of economy, in terms of development, in terms of anti-corruption activities bara achikoba involved. It is not the time yaga baka no mongina bayo chaba watebanga ngo bara opposition. Ngode beti Kalonzo Musyoka ngane rochore ntwate bete igoro yo igoto bwate a coalition ekorokwa Azimio ekero ile Odinga abatiga akagenda akarozio mukataba
tabatigeti
na abatigete mwanye ndiyo tabatigete ango mondo Eugene Wamalwa nabekire kirogo ngo mondo Martha Karua nabekire kirogo ango mondo Jeremiah Kioni Jubilee nabekire kirogo anga bantu mondo Wiper nabekire kirogo. So Raila akabatiga ekiagara nere wemanyetore official opposition leader ekiagara abwate abajumba abange ase kiama kia ODM warore akabatiga abo akagenda akoro kubwatana ekera akorete igo nagingo tebanga Kalonzo Musyoka mbabwendete kwikaranza mune coalition baigwanane bagochora buna official opposition leader lakini azeto ikire Kenya. We don't need these politicians. We don't need this opposition. What we need are people babgato bongo bonge babwate emetwe emenene bwate obongo bonge babwate amaisa amanene akorora emechando y'abakenya babwate emenwe emeke koreagere endagera enke y'abakenya egere batware chinguru chiokora egasi enyinge mbaba mebembe buna abajumbe n'abarayi banasiasa bare Kenya babwate amaboko amatambe bakurumire endagera y'abakenya barire bono babembechete they cannot reason emete batingete kinete mono obongo botai. So it is a time that Kenya should be given the space ribaga liaba libarengere iringa tiga twagitete for the rights ya Kenya, growth, economic growth ya Kenya, oitobo kurumi Kenya, kobeka magendero Kenya, koleta employment opportunities Kenya, bakoreri bagiryo. We are not speaking opposition ere Kenya nigerororo yenyorere bintu. Unabono Raila Odinga wenyoreire kerogo kyo koba endorse ekyo ntakagere tingango chiare koira kara ire nechisokoro chiae kimorare lebuya agenyore kerakara akenyore kende keyo Kenya go benefit from that position. Oise korigeria abantu babeire asebiroge ochakere Chad ogende Mali ogende South Africa ogende Cote d'Ivoire kende keyo in fact ndate go kotebinga Chad, which is the most small country in Africa, ebwata abantu 16 million voka. In fact, it is classified as the poorest country in Africa, a country ekoruku Chad. Lakini Joan Yomindo omondorore chairman okorukufaki nerororo ko wosoka oberre miaka karibu erenga koru 2017 mpaka 2025. Eyine miaka 5 na 3 kitamu ibere. Lakini a country ya still classified as the poorest in Africa. So nginarenge gote. Ebiroge byese korigereri. Omonto buna nkozazana Dlamini omukoru South Africa. Abanda abana siasa bakogenda alia bakikoyerera interest chia abana siasa bali bakoro ko presidents ko protect the reins and the power authority chi echibanyorire kingdoms echibanyorire bakoro kwanga abarayi ba Africa ekibago bekera abanda abana kiekyo ukwanya korora not a single day a non-politician a technocrat awanchero gose akoba qualified by the African Union Commission Council area covet ya approve just a professor gose a technocrat gose a linguist gose omontoro musomi elinda agenda tumeke akiria zikiro keria aunchore Africa emechanderororo obotago borororo corruption yerororo slavery yerororo kwarori nime chando yonzi piyo botaka na okogendera gochima okoira na gochima gega kororo. We have never seen what we are seeing in Africa Africa Union Commission n'abantu barororo bago chamo abana siasa bago pendekezana ngayegenda alia ogenda ochikongerera timba ise kobwatwa ekarona ibire nimbe hingo kwa agento keke. What is the issue? Ekeroto bwate katiba has not been implemented today. Abantu bayimo kirengango tutaite ko kore constitutional review. You see, Joan, you can only do a constitutional review in Africa when ekere katiba ya very implemented to the letter, to the fullest. Lakini isi koligeria katiba bune ya Kenya 14 years yonsi pi eitire ekabwatwe gasamunzu ekarutunyao. There is no respect for the constitution, no respect for rule of law. Kende nkeyo egento kerororo obukurumi obuimukereria na ko review ekatiba kobeke bipengere nechi article echichigo protect mwana siasa asenyenje ebintu bya. So nare gotebayo emeremo ya Kalonzo Musyoka. Kindly our brother Kalonzo Musyoka, the long-serving vice president, toko moboringa atimoke abe advisor ya young generation. Omonto bara support oromo kake lakini yobete serikali. Nande nango tebaiga. You see, you cannot be a career civil servant or a career political appointee in public service. Wuna state officer, wuna a vice president, was a deputy president, was a minister, was a deputy minister, was a assistant minister, was a omondo korukwanga a PS, was a director of corporation. Omana go chocheko tebangan kobore official leader of opposition. Amangana ayo ayo ne chindoto chirororo chia mugaso igoro Kalonzo nenchera korigia kwebeka nganere na bagosuguma Ruto egera amonyorere kirogo bunanyo ansire gosuguma Raila agende UC amotigere Kenya kere obosibore onde bwensi gojikoboria biribu morengete yasanginga watebinga opposition inja akwete ono tobwate coalition government lendo kende nare gukwana segente kigorende nkaringa we don't need opposition in Kenya. What we need are selfless individuals who go fight for justice, equity, fairness, transparency ya Kenya.
Okay. Now, singing tondo chebiro bia bere bikunyara kominyoka kegima nyamwaro ningote bito kwane bakamarogo bantu gukora mangana ega ninga ni director ne kura sensemendi ye studio nyare konkonya ni flash egere mubekiro robot rolegaiga twende bakasama gacharia afya center ndoje Susan Nakumincha oyoro mwaziri bwechi sisebo oyo kabero mwaziri wabo chenu agendete ko handover gochia se Debra Baraza kolende aso kunyara gukora Benada watebiringa Kalonzo msio kata kunyara koba the opposition leader. But at the same time, let us look at the AU bid. So kunyara gokorera nimoroche Raila Amolo Odinga, former prime minister wense ya Kenya. Nimoroche akoro kwanga
Mahamud Ali Yusuf.
Mahamud Ali Yusufu, foreign minister o Djibouti. Nimoroche Richard James Randrimandatro, former foreign minister Madagascar. Na nimoroche gaiga oyiga akoro kwanga Anil Kumar Singh Guyana, former foreign minister of Mauritania. So it is Kenya, Mauritania, Djibouti and Madagascar. But the rest of Kananga Yatgira say Djibouti in Kenya. What is do you have for
no. My sister
Kisii TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo chobosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwonche tekegima ase amagori ensemono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception aso kwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwonsi oraganye. Bobote jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya echyo kwegwa ase amagori ensemono. Boigomba bote ebago se ensemo yo kwegokeria asogo tegerera matera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bare. Omubagani yoga boigom no bote e boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake na boigomba bote e conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bote chinyomba choboraro echo chire size au na bono chibote e ofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga. Chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo korwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo korwa chiribu nye na 500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality woigo kogweria rigori yabo korwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagi
tosabo kwabera ase itilafu echiri ogi kidogo ndibwate ish natafash korende chi director chiane bagendrete ko shugulikira left right and center kwene kibuna chia twanyare gutwara eliogiri yana inde eliogiri ronge ndochakaiga oiga koro kwa Max agoteba iga Mark Korea Mark Korwe Nyamira I think ndiye alikuwa anataka kusema Nonde ime yesho, I mean the show takes us following keenly. Therefore, on my opinion, I cannot agree with Bernard. Therefore, I support Honorable Raila Odinga for his AUC bid. And no, it is clear that Kalonzo is supposed to make sure that Azimio team protect Kenyans by making sure Ruto's government do not overtax Kenyans. Thank you very much, and God bless my beautiful country, Kenya. Charles Mokwamusa utebanga Charles Mose from Dubai watching live. Asante sana. Oyonosho tebaganga Kalonzo together with the entire Azimio team is strongly to be opposition to represent Kenyans, and we believe Kalonzo will entirely Kalonzo with the entire regime will make us proud. Thank you so much. Chikane chinkwana chia. Now, toko draseda ekemo. AUC bid. Kenya, Djibouti, Mauritania, Mauritius.
I was giving an
Mauritania na Madagascar, eh?
You know, analogy, how African states elect and the coach AUC. Now, today, umanyete ekerogo kibwende kogenda Central, Southern and Western Africa. You went go flex for muscles, but you see AUC nevegete lichiko go say recommendations inge kirokyo wachea ekere rotational. But it is sad the former chairpersons in office was spinning over dominated except South Africa, but Islam dominated. What does that tell you?
South Africa, Islam dominated.
I'm saying most of the former and incumbents ego very more Islam dominated. If you don't give you a Cote d'Ivoire, Yaveto 203 to abate umondoriko rukwanga Amara Esi ego ere Islam. Ego Mali, Umar Konar, Islam. Warari. Abuna Babeiro, 202, 203 to 208. Ekerokolia 2028 to 2017 in Alia Chiete, South Africa, which I think Nalego Tebanga Kosazana Dilamini does not declare whether he's Christian or what, but is a professor in very many areas. Ekerokolia Oyoso Tefaki from Chad. It's more Islam. Now, what does this tell you? That there is a voting pattern in Africa, and it seems Korua Sogware religion actually dominates and takes a center stage as Ogochora, a leader to AUC or the president. When you are looking on the past former chairpersons to that position, so before you talk about that you are supporting Raila Odinga, you need to look into how many countries do we have in East Africa? Now that North Africa, because Djibouti is coming from the North Africa, all right? And it's from an Islam-dominated religion. So what does that tell you? How many countries do we have in the northern region who are going to vote against the Christian who is Raila Odinga? Until and when, maybe, Raila Odinga can today declare he's an Islam, then they might have some sense of quotes. He has declared he's an Islam, let us vote him. I really doubt that Raila Odinga will have this position in another reason that in 2023, America was at loggerheads with Omondo Korkwa Raila Amolo Odinga after the general elections when the ambassador to Kenya, ambassador to Kenya, Meg Whiteman, he have declared support for the president. His elections are Choru, and I will support if he's elected Ruto. So there was very serious political controversy. America, na Raila Odinga as an individual, not Kenya, all right? Okay. So those factors, when you look at them, Americans don't forget. They will always to follow every statement to the end. So if Raila takes the position, I concentrate with what is in America and not in Kenya, that statement is not a simple statement for the Americans. The Americans can always, because it's a superpower, can influence the position of Raila Odinga not to become the AU chair, because maybe they have read his conscience, his psychology, and they have looked at how he is going to affect the interests of America in Africa.
All right, asante sana. Maybe asogokolera ngana kyura nyara kumomo guseka.
Sogolera mbuye munori tangani abantu baminto balia mokoligereria amangana atekire aiga Kisi TV mugenderere kurigereria butambe naende mwacha twasangamo neria kabere mbia mona CCTV asoko tonyoreri baga una Juhudi Africa gocha gusangamo n'abantu baito nako basemia aria twamanyire agendere tase Kenya yaito nerio mwario nkoborie president ya Kenya no mugabano Kisii omugabana narangireti ku State House igoro mambia agacha Kisii call off omukutano orenge ATC which director akagenda go join ekiagera Raila tare kobororo ase omusururo igoro orenge Migori no yogendrete boniga Omabei abwa ase celebration yere ya omuske Mbadi une CS Treasury kogenderera mpaka ka bagende Siaya bagende sobo omo CS oyobekwa yetali ya mpaka nkwebe kiagara timbo at interest
Opio Wandai
ekara bakogenda guchingira ngabairwe gusi intuntora atwara guchingira konde wansi gotogendrete ko umata mwebanga se kurengia naende togo chikorigia 2027 naende mbotambe imoka igoro saba ekere keino asabara ibagusi you have failed us to the president please reconsider your visit back to Kisii naende orete amagenderero ari atari ari ogwanchereria atari ogosabwa lakini ari arakonye omugusi na the entire Kenyans mbiyama.
Asante sana mwancho muligererio Kisii TV so kunyara gusangana incha somorobire bwa yato ikeire korutwa chagetego ikeraboniga chinsani sano ne muchabone mubaso stake marongene na isano chiabutokire nte tugutigangari bageriga na baro banyare kwebanga gaiga so kunyara koletero muligereria ayatikire chinsa isano na ibere special thanks go chia sore Bernard aso kunyara gocha gaiga and I hope now we are going to do the conversation more often tigankore neri boli riga do sijui kama nitakupatia nafasi ya kujibu. My question to Bernard is as follows. You as a Kenyan citizen, why are you not supporting our Kenyan for AUC while other countries already have shown interest of Odinga? I think we as Kenyans, we need to be happy. This is for our democracy. Na maendeleo kote Africa, respect to Mzee Odinga is the key to Kenya. All right, I think, okay.
No, I don't see the value ya AUC chairperson ya Raila Odinga to Kenya. I don't see. That is why I'm not supporting.
All right.
Number two, I'm not supporting because my instincts tell me he will not win. So I don't support what is not going to win. I always focus on a cause that is going to win and to bring the fruits to Africa. Ntoba isa kutwara nga Kenya nja atwari the representative. Ndate ko tebyo mo tegera liyo mbuyamono for his decision. But in the wider picture that ko manoro bongo mo tebi ngaki Jad abwase a president ye korusi boy korokwa faki. It is the poorest when he is the president of African Union over 54 countries. So mwanya tara konya for the last 8 years as a chairperson ya AU tara konya bantu bae na Chad is classified as the poorest in Africa and in the world. Ingi Raila Odinga uchikogotokoni is the question he will ponder and think about it, and I want to ask him to read more and understand Pan-Africanism, to understand religion, how it influences states and powers which rule the world.
Right, asante sana kuchase director Enoka mbabwata Marieta fani ndiro likoro kuzaki Kenya ndiro gusingana ki ayeno kumpya monaso kunyara kwene kimuna chibicha na mariogia berega kunyara ko moikero murigeria sobo ikerano DJ Kate, thank you so much nimete wakorega singia kurasensa mendi studio, and of course what's up my beautiful people, my name is Jacinta Nyabetha no arengeza mendi studio nero nyare ko bwatira na barabo kwene kimuna murobirega.
Thank you Jason,
yeah, what's up my beautiful people, my name is Jacinta Nyabetha. Yes. Thank you so much Mwensi nyasayo yu dana mura nagendete kweriga nintinga nakegima achege iganyare gukwa egatiari anyare gwateka na Catherine kwamba kanime alikuwa pale mtu ya mkono ndiye amekupakulia haya maji, amekupanga vizuri kabisa kwa set.
Sasa muzisenie na njenjende ta machi bono mmetungi toto gachi.
Alright, nyasayo yo ankionkande twaralitukurigia. Thank you.